I have been a coach and trainer for over a couple decades and in the professional realm. And also my most challenging role was coaching and training my three sons. They made it through. I didn't kill them. They didn't kill each other. So I think I did a pretty good job. My entire career, I've been a manager, a middle manager, and I've been what's called a senior manager and also general manager in some of the stores and organizations that I've had a chance to support. Coaching for me and training always came very, very natural because I was always that go-to person. I started my career as what's called a shift manager in the retail space. Did that for about 6 months and became what's called an assistant store manager. In those roles, I actually trained all of the team members. Customer service aspect of how to greet and to service the customers that we were called to service. On to the finance area where I served at Allstate, Prudential, Zurich Insurance, Chase Insurance in the fraud area. Each of those roles too, we had to share with our team members different trainings and things like that that came down from corporate. It was our job to make sure that they understood it and that they could comply to everything the company was deemed to have to do. So that was my job. I loved it. I loved sharing with my team and helping them grow and helping them expand their skill set. And also built a few trainers as well because you can't do it all. My team grew in some instances from 20 people to 70 people. The lifeblood of the local church is outreach and evangelism. If you're not able to do that well, you're probably not going to reach the neighborhood that you're called to serve. So I was actually contracted in to create a workshop for the Lutheran Church here in Chicago. This is a couple years ago. And what we did, we designed a program after speaking with all the churches, about 9 churches involved in this particular area. After speaking with each of the leadership, we designed it to go over 3 days. So we did some team building exercises, we did some evangelistic and outreach, like best practices, shared those with them. And after we got done with them, they went out into their neighborhoods and started to share the things that they learned. Each of those churches are growing right now. We're just so proud of the work that we were able to do and just very honored to be able to help another church and a whole denomination help them grow and expand their reach. They're doing great.
There are people in your communities right now who really believe that where they're living in their spiritual walk, in their natural walk, that's it. I deem it's going to be a little bit different type of retreat presentation. We're going to go through some numbers, we're going to go through some techniques, we're going to go through some bullet points, we're going to go through some things, again, that have worked brilliantly, that we have found to be very effective. We're also going to share with you guys some stuff that didn't work. One being, and I'm going to just give you a little spoiler here, is not to partner.